Hey, what's up, foodies? It's Will from Will Eat There. Welcome back to my channel, the channel where I help you decide if you'll eat there. Hey, it's time to eat. I'm hungry, sitting around the house here, and we're gonna go check out Waffle House here. I'm in the mood for a little breakfast, a little brunch type thing. So, in keeping with fast food franchise food truck Fridays, we're gonna hit it up, see what they're all about. The Waffle House here in Camden, South Carolina has some pretty good reviews, and I'm not really a Waffle House person. I'm more of an IHOP person, but hey, if it's here, I gotta see what it's about. So come along for the journey, and I'll see you on the other side.
Right, here we go. Good thing Waffle House is only maybe about a 10-minute drive, if that. So I'm gonna go check it out, see what they're all about. I think in my time I've only been to Waffle House maybe once or twice. Not here in Camden, South Carolina, of course. In my travels, I think I went once when I was in Florida. I went to a Waffle House, so it's been a minute. But like I said, the Waffle House here, the reviews that I've looked at online, all about 4.3 to 4.5 out of 5 stars. So must be doing something right. So we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna experience this together. Alright, see you on the other side. Alright, so we just pulled up the Waffle House. It took me a little bit longer than I thought it would, because I had to turn back around the house. Got out, I was in a hurry to get out the house, and I forgot my little tripod thing situation here, and I can't do the vlog without it, so I had to turn around and get it. But now we're here, let's get to it. See you on the other side.
Alright, so as you can see here, it is a very simple layout. I mean, this is what you get. It's like a little type of diner. Everything, there's the kitchen right back there. So you order your food and they bring it out to you. Very, very simple layout. Not much to it.
Alright, so we are here at the Waffle House. Just you seat yourself, by the way. There's really not to it. You just walk in, seat yourself. I had to ask for a menu. I think the waitress was a little surprised because I asked for a menu, so obviously I haven't been here too many times. So here's the menu. There is a lunch and dinner on this side, as you can see. Pretty simple. And then the breakfast favorites on this side. Not much to it. You know, a little placemat menu, you know. Alright, so like I said, I'm hungry for breakfast. I'm going to find out if they're still serving breakfast, if breakfast is served all day, which I believe it is, but I'm just going to double check. Alright, so just like I thought, they serve everything all day. So the breakfast side and the lunch side. I haven't even really looked at the lunch side just to make sure there's nothing that I want. But no, burgers, grilled cheese, there's a cheesesteak here. Different burgers, chicken sandwich, nothing fancy, you know, it is what you get. It's called economical dining. But looking at the breakfast menu, actually I think I want this sausage, egg, and cheese bowl. It says or grits, so I'm trying to figure out what that is. And I think I want some, definitely know I want some waffles. I definitely want some bacon, so we're gonna do the sausage, egg, and cheese bowl, a side of waffle, and also we're gonna get some bacon. Let's see what happens. All right, so just to clarify my order here, so I had the sausage, egg, and cheese bowl. So it comes, you can either get grits on the bottom of it, or you can get the hash browns on the bottom. So I got the hash browns on the bottom of it. And then I also got a side of waffle and a side of bacon, which comes with 3 strips of bacon. And then I also ordered some sweet tea. Alright, so we'll see how long they just put the order in.
There's nobody here besides me. I think there's like one other person, so this ought to be quick and easy, and see how it is. Sweet tea is not bad. Sweet tea. Alright, so that was mad quick. I mean, really, less than 10 minutes. I don't even think it was a full 5 minutes. Here we go. Here's the breakfast bowl. We got the sausage on top with the scrambled eggs on a bed of hash browns. We got a waffle here with some syrup. Actually, this is some whipped spread, so I guess it's like a butter. What I asked was if the waffles were frozen, but they're no. They actually have a batter that they use in a waffle iron, so that was interesting. And my side of bacon. So, there you go. So we're gonna try it. Try the bowl, the breakfast bowl. Alright, so definitely seeds, some enhancements. A little salt, a little pepper. Let's see how that goes. There you go. That's pretty good. It's simple. Not overly complicated. There's a quick little breakfast bowl. I mean, I say breakfast bowl, but it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so. Pretty good. Nice and hot, fresh off the grill. Can't complain. Bacon, nice and crispy, not overcooked. Pretty good. I love bacon. I do. I know it's bad for you, but good Lord, I don't know what I'd do without it. Try this waffle before it gets too soggy. And some of this whipped spread here. Nice and soft already, so it's easy to spread. And a little maple syrup. Just a swirl. Yes, ma'am. What I like about it, it's a simple place, right? Not overly complicated. The service I'm receiving is very friendly. The waitress has come and checked on me several times. Made sure I had everything I needed. But it's simple food, you know, decent price, very economically sound, you know. Very Waffle Houses like this might have been there. Who knows? So this waffle's not bad. It's a little on the soggy side. I rolled it up. I'm not sure. It's not like a real crisp waffle. No crunch to it. It's like biting into like a soft muffin or something like that. I put the butter on it, put the maple syrup on it, so it is what it is. It's not going to win any prizes, but if you're hungry and want decent food at a very reasonable price, Waffle House can't beat it. So I see the key to Waffle House. Quick, easy. Key is get your food when it's hot. Be able to enjoy it. Don't let your food cool off. Because after a while, that breakfast bowl there, as it cooled off, it really just started out tasting the same. There was really no distinct difference between, the combination of the food that I was putting on. So, quick, simple, like I said, get it while it's hot, be able to enjoy it. Really no problem. I think the thing is about making that bowl, particular bowl, better. Maybe either using the maple syrup, sprinkle that in there, or about some Texas Pete hot sauce. I'm a Texas Pete fan. I know some of y'all like Frank's or Tabasco, but I'm a Texas Pete fan. Matter of fact, leave me a comment telling me what hot sauce you prefer. Leave that in the comments. So, full breakfast, bowl, a waffle on the side, and a drink. About $19. So, not bad. It's funny because the server, she asked me what I thought about the place. There's really no complaints. I had excellent service. My food came out very quickly. It was hot. It's fairly clean. I didn't come in here for a 5-star meal. I came in here for, decent food, so rating 1 to 10, that's what she asked me. Service, definitely a 10. Cleanliness, 6, 7. It's okay. It's like I said, it's a Waffle House. And then the food quality, I rated about a 6. I'm not here for fine dining, like I said. You get what you paid for. The food was hot, like I said. I enhanced it with the salt and pepper. Definitely could, like I said, you could use some hot sauce or something like that. But other than that, really had no complaints. If you like this type of content, please make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification over there so you know every time I drop something new. And until next time, foodies, I hope you enjoyed this Waffle House experience, and maybe this review will help you decide if you'll eat here. Until next time,